Hello divas, today we go talk about white lace. We don't represent elegance and grace since forever, Now why be say people sabi like am for special events. The soft texture and fine patterns fit bring romance and charm, Perfect for weddings, christenings, and all those formal gatherings. As you dey choose white lace for these important moments, make sure say you sabi the occasion and the kind look wey you want achieve, Make we start with weddings. White lace na classic choice for weddings, whether na for bridal gown or bridesmaid dresses. If you wear lace for your gown, it go give you that traditional vibe, but you feel still add your modern touch. The way lace dey flow, it fit anybody type, and it go enhance your shape well. You fit also use lace for veils and accessories, wey go add more depth and elegance to your whole look. And number 2 also, you fit wear them for christenings. For this kind small intimate ceremony, white lace dey shine for both pikin and parents. A lace trimmed gown or lace overlay go give that angelic and serene look wey perfect for this sacred occasion. Parents fit add lace accents for their own outfits too, so the family go look cohesive and refined together. And if na formal gathering, casual outings, things like that, white lace fit shine for any formal settings, from sophisticated dresses to chic blouses where you fit pair with tailored trousers. It dey versatile, so you fit dress am up or down, and it fit any kind ceremony. With the right accessories, lace fit elevate any outfit, bringing sophistication and grace to you. So white lace na timeless fabric wey dey exude elegance and beauty. It fit combine tradition with modern style, and na why e dey remain a top choice for all the special celebrations wey we dey celebrate in life. And as you watch this video reach end, make sure say you subscribe, like, and share. Make we no longer am. Here na the video.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Screw wish I knew.
My appetite.